Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Wordtunes account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Wordtunes account, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in wordtune.com and make a search. It will take you to the official page of your Wordtunes account. Click on profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop down, tap on Help Center. On the next page, type in I want to delete my account in the search box and make a search. You can delete your Wordtunes account by following the instructions, or else what you can do is open up your Gmail application. Click on Compose option. Enter your Wordtunes email address, that is privacy@wordtune.com, right below your email address. On the subject section, enter deletion of account and type in I want to delete my account. After you're done typing in your email, tap on arrow icon to send an email to Wordtunes customer service. This is how you can delete your Wordtunes account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.